Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I get into the recipe portion of this video, I just kind of wanted to go over the reason why I changed the name of my YouTube channel. So some of you might have noticed I changed the name from Cooking with Fariyal to What's Cooking with Fariyal. Obviously it's not a big change, but I think just making or adding that one word will give me the chance to broaden the topics that I cover on my channel, will help me grow my channel to the next level. To the people who have so far supported me and subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And to the ones who have not subscribed yet, I hope you do so in order to learn recipes from me, and we can also talk about other topics that may be of interest to you as they are to me. So now I'll stop talking and we can go into the recipe portion of this video. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think of the new name, or if there was another name that you would have suggested. I would love to know your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe, and now finally let's get cooking. So guys, I'm going to start by seasoning my shrimp first. I have here probably about 1.5 pounds of jumbo shrimp. I've already cleaned them and deveined them. Also removed the shell. And this is just a few ingredients. So I'm going to start by adding some chopped garlic and also some ginger paste. A couple tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use low sodium if you want. I'm using regular. And because of the soy sauce, I'm not going to be adding any salt to this. A sprinkle of black pepper. I'm also adding a couple tablespoons of honey. So the flavors will be kind of sweet, kind of salty. I love those kinds of umami flavors. And you just want to mix everything up. Now, as I was cleaning the shrimp, I realized that I've made quite a few recipes with shrimp on my channel, and that's just one of those ingredients that if you have it on hand in your pantry or in your fridge or whatever, it's just cooked so quickly. You just need a few ingredients to season it with, and if you don't want to be in the kitchen for too long, this is just one of those quick and easy ingredients that come in very, very handy. So there's our shrimp all seasoned. So I have my frying pan heating up over here, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. I'm also going to add a little bit of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, that's completely fine. You can just leave it out. It's not necessary. Just let the oil heat up. And once the oil heats up, I'm just going to fry my shrimp. And just let these cook on both sides. And you want to make sure to cook this on either high or medium-high heat, because you want these to cook very quickly. There's our shrimp. It's all done. And now let's move on to the cauliflower fried rice. So I'm going to go over the ingredients for the cauliflower fried rice first, just because I want to explain something about the cauliflower rice. So here I have a frozen kind, but if you can't find frozen cauliflower rice, because sometimes it is hard to find in your grocery store, you can just use fresh cauliflower, and you can rice it in your food processor, or you can just use a hand grater and grate some cauliflower. This is about, I would say, about 2 cups. Then I have here 1/2 cup each of some corn, and also carrots and peas, 1/2 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, and also 2 eggs that I'm going to beat and put into the fried rice. I'm going to add some oil to my pan, and I have this on high heat. Also a little drizzle of sesame oil, and of course if you don't have this, it's completely fine. Now go ahead and add your onions and garlic and let these cook till they're softened just a little bit. Once the onions and garlic look like they have softened, you can add your peas, carrots, and corn. And let these cook also. And now I'm just going to throw in my cauliflower rice. And just gently mix everything up. You don't want to break the cauliflower rice even more. It's already very small grains. And you don't want to add any salt to this as yet. I will be adding soy sauce in a bit. But if you add salt to this now, the cauliflower will release its own water and then the rice will just get mushy. And now I created a little well in the middle of the pan, and I'm just going to add a drop of canola oil in here. Well, more than a drop. And I'm going to add my beaten eggs in here. You just want to quickly move with the eggs and scramble them right in here. And this has to be done on high heat. You can see the egg has already pretty much cooked and scrambled right in there. And it's completely fine if it mixes up with the rice grains or the veggies. It's all going to be mixed together anyway. So now that the egg has all cooked, you just want to mix everything up. You can see how quickly this is going to be done. And now I'm going to add some black pepper, also some soy sauce, mix everything up. And it's really crazy how cauliflower grains or the cauliflower rice resembles real rice so much. And it's so good for you. Cauliflower has so many excellent nutrients, and also this is a great way to eat your favorite meal in a low carb way. You definitely do want to taste it at this stage, just in case you need to add some salt, but I really don't think you're going to need to, because the soy sauce is going to add that salty umami kind of flavor. And pretty much this is done now. It cooked so quickly. If you have your ingredients right next to you and everything is already prepped, this cooks in a few minutes. Look how amazing that looks and how quickly we finished our honey ginger soy shrimp with our beautiful and colorful cauliflower fried rice. And I just want to sprinkle a little sesame seed on it just because I like the textures it adds. And there you have it. How amazing does that look? As always, you guys, I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this recipe and if you try it. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Take care, you guys.